Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you some security tips for conducting online session using Zoom. Basically, you can use the Zoom in your desktop as well as in your smartphones. Personally, I will suggest you to use the Zoom application in your desktop rather than the smartphone because the Zoom application provides some additional benefits and additional security features in the desktop version as compared to the Android version. So first, I will show you some security tips for using Zoom application in the desktop version. For that, first of all, you have to install the Zoom application from the official website of Zoom. After installing Zoom application in your desktop, you have to create one Zoom account. You can create a Zoom account using the Facebook ID or your Google ID, that is Gmail ID. Here I have already created the Zoom account using my Gmail account. Now let's see some security tips. Now click on this setting gear. So first, in this general option, you have to tick show my connected time. As you all know, Zoom has the time limit of 40 minutes. As you enable this option, it will let you know that how much time is remaining to end the session. Second option, that is video. Here scroll down and enable the last option, which is display up to 49 participants per screen in a gallery view. You can view up to 49 participants video on a single screen, which will make it easy to view the participants. Then switch to audio mode. Here you can see the microphone is being set. It is very important to set up the microphone so that your voice will be delivered to the participants. Here are 3 options given over here. Now these options may be different according to your system and your system configuration. So you have to check it which is the best setting so that audio will be clear. So in this way you have to set up your microphone. Then next, click on this chat option and enable these 2 options. These 2 options will help you to keep the unread messages on the top. Now close this window and switch towards this meeting option and click on edit. So here you can see one personal meeting ID is been assigned to you. With the help of this ID, your participants will be able to join your sessions. Please note that this ID can't be changed. The next, password option. You have to enable this password. You can add any password which you like. I will suggest you to enter the password with the combination of letters and numbers, which will make your Zoom meeting more secure. Then the next option is video. You have to enable the host option and the participants option so that when your session is being active, the video of the host and the participants will be enabled by default. The next option is audio. You have to select second option, that is computer audio, which will help you to deliver your audio directly with the help of your microphone. Then click on this advanced option. You have to enable here the enable waiting room. This will help you to admit the participants to join the meeting. I will suggest you, if you want, you can disable this option to save the time, which means if you are sharing your personal meeting ID and password with any participant, he can directly join without your permission into the session. This will save your time. Then next, you have to tick the option that is mute participants on the entry. This will help you to mute all the participants which are going to join your meetings, and just click on the save option. So here were some security tips which may help you to make your online session more secure. Now here are some tips for Zoom application for the Android version. For that, you have to install your Zoom application in your Android phones from Play Store. Here I have already installed the Zoom application from the Play Store. After the installation, you have to open the Zoom app. You have to sign in with your Zoom account. As you can see here, I have already signed in with my Zoom account. Now first of all, you have to click on the settings option. In the settings option, you have to select the second option, that is meeting. Now here you can see there are some options which have been enabled. You have to enable all these options. You can pause the video and see it properly one by one. Now click on the back option and then select Meetings. Now from here you can see your personal meeting ID on your Android smartphone. Now click on Edit. Now as you can see, this is your permanent meeting ID which you can share with your participants so that they can join your sessions. Now enable the meeting password and add the password with the help of the combination of letters and numbers which will make your. Then click on Audio option. From this audio option you have to select Device Audio, which means when you are in the session your audio will be delivered by the device microphone. Now click on OK. The next option is Enable Waiting Room. You can enable it from here by clicking on it so that whenever any participant wants to join the meeting, you will get the notification and you have to admit it in. Then the next option is Allow Join Before Host. This option should be disabled by default, but if it is enabled, you have to disable it. And the last option is Automatic Record the Meeting. If you want to record the meeting, you can just enable this option. It means that when you start the session, all the activities will be recorded into your device internal storage. And click on Save option. So these were some tips to make your Zoom session more secure in your Android phone. Zoom meeting session more secure.